how to create client list in ClickUp. So first go to ClickUp, and then you can just click on plus icon here on beside your folder. Next is just click on templates, and then here you can just type in client, and then here you can see a bunch of templates here that you can use as your client list. Okay, so let's say just select any of the templates here that that's based on your what you need for your client. So let's say I'm going to use this support here, and then just select, hover your mouse over the template, and then click on quick use. Now here you just need to wait for ClickUp to finish adding it to your folder. Okay, you can see the loading here. Okay, now you can see now it's been added. So here you can start checking out how the list looks like. Okay, and you can also start editing it however you want. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.